Hi, I'm REIKI. I'm going to show you what you need to do one of my therapeutic artwork. Very basic, really. Got a cheat sheet, so I'm going to go off that, so I'll make sure I don't forget anything. Okay, paper. I need something to put our art on, put our design on. And I'm going to start with simple, printed out paper that's no longer I don't need it anymore. So it can literally be as simple as old papers that you, and then go up to the next is an A5 art journal that you purchase at Kmart or any stationery store. At the moment, you'll be able to purchase them online, and then you can go up to A4 art journal, same as this. It's got a heavier card. They're good for building a record of where you start and how your actual artwork develops. Well, I can't say artwork because therapeutic art isn't about becoming an artist. It's just relaxing, letting go. I'm not going to get into that right now. Okay, so we've covered basic paper. Then you need pencils. Normal HB. HB? Here's a HB. I'm not prepared earlier. Sharpie. Colouring in pencils. Any variety. Again, these are cheap. I think they cost three Australian dollars. Oh, and a crayon. I've got half a crayon. But any crayons. Crayons are fun to use, believe. Pen. Try not to use too many pens because they're permanent. Nothing's permanent. I keep it. But anyway, that's you can see it's stuff that kids would have, you would have. Look, you can actually go once you get comfortable with what you do, and go as far as paint, charcoal, watercolor, anything you want. But we use the KISS principle, which is keep it simple, silly. Start with the basics. That way, it's about learning from step one. Go on. Okay. Rightio, pencils, yep, covered that. Rightio, paper, covered that. Keep and check on myself here. Now, with my therapeutic art workshops, what I do, the exercise we do every time, the first exercise, is to create a simple mandala. Now, to do that, I use paper cup. Paper cup, if you've got one. This is just an old plastic cup, and I use this. It's recycled. I use it over and over and over. I can have different size circles. Whoops, top, bottom. Plastic cup or paper cup. Even simpler. A lid off of cooking oil. As long as nothing of any poison. So you've got simple lids that you can trace around. One of these doodads from maths. You know what they are. I don't. And my favourite, because it's so simple, and is a protractor. Again, stationery store. But I'm showing that you don't need those tools. You could use something from home, and it can even be a coffee cup. It does not have to be anything flash or fancy to start creating a mandala. And these are the tools you pretty much need to start. You know, and it is that easy. All you need then is have fun, bit of time, and follow along on my workshops. Thanks for watching. My name's REIKI. Be able to see a lot of information. Yeah. Where do I close this? Is the button here somewhere? Yeah, okay.